How to add a business location on Snapchat Map. Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add a business location on Snapchat Map that will be publicly visible. Let's get right into it. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Snapchat application, and once you do so, you will just have to head over to your profile. Once you get to your profile, you will see your avatar like this, and you just have to scroll down a bit until you see your sharing location. And on my location, if you have ghost mode on, it will not affect you, and you can easily add your location even if your ghost mode is still on. Now here on under support, you will see suggest a place. Just tap on it, and once you do so, you can just enter the name of the place or any business that you want to add. And once you do so, you just have to select other informations like your address. You can select it on your map. Then on your category, you can choose what you sell or what kind of business you have. Then on the attributes, you have big group, cheap eats, date night, family friendly, fast Wi-Fi, good drinks, and many more. So once you do that, you can just tap on save, and on hours, you can choose which days you are open. And once you do that, if you have a website, you can paste the website link right here. Then you also have an option to add your phone number. And once you do that, you can even add your photos to attract new customers. And once you click on submit, Snapchat will review your request. And once they verify, your place should publicly visible on SnapMap. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.